spirit of bondage again to fear, but you receive the spirit of adoption, by whom we cry out, Abba, Father. And the Spirit Himself bears witness with our spirit that we are children of God. And as children, we have God who is our Father as well as our Mother. And that is what I want for us to remember today, even as we celebrate motherhood and we celebrate our mothers. And yes, we truly acknowledge those wonderful mothers that we have among us. And we are truly thankful to them that they've nurtured us. You have given the sacrifice that no one else had given. And that's the reason why we are who we are today. You and God the Father, you co-partner with one another and you raise your children. And that is worth acknowledging. And we do thank you for that role that you play as you partner with God in raising your amazing children also. And yes, as has been stated before, even though we have these amazing mothers, we have mothers who have not been really good, and we've felt the pain of raising up in that kind of situation. And for those who have felt the pain of an absent mother or a mother who is not good, I want for us to know that the Lord is close to the brokenhearted and saves those who are crushed in spirit, as it is said in Psalms number 34, verse 18. The Lord is close to the brokenhearted. In fact, if you put your faith in the Lord Jesus in the new covenant times, the Lord is not only close to you, the Lord is in you. And He felt the pain that you're going through. He felt the agony that you're going through. And He is the one who is going to heal you. And that is what I want for us to remember today. That there is a God who is like a mother for all of us.